More breaking news updates coming in, and Kerala has in fact decided to impose night curfew in the state from tomorrow. The Kerala government has said that it will start imposing night curfew between 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. from tomorrow onwards. And this, of course, comes in at a time when Kerala has in fact been clocking a huge surge in COVID cases. There's been a daily case load of 30,000 cases being reported of the state for the fourth day in a row. And the government has also said that there'll be strict lockdown where the weekly infection rate or the positivity rate is above 7%. Let me go across to my colleague Vivek. Vivek, so another measure being taken by the Kerala government to try and bring down the COVID case rise in the state. What other steps is the government considering? Because night curfew may be one of the steps which have been done before, but has that been proven to be effective, or what is the government hoping to achieve now or planning now in order to bring down the case rise, because it's been 30,000 for the fourth straight day?
Yes, the government is trying to take all positive steps at this point of time. Night curfew from tomorrow, that's 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. in the morning, is one of the steps that's been planned yesterday in the meeting that was convened by Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. Apart from that, the government is planning to backtrack and also test more people in the containment zones. The government has decided that the home quarantine facilities, home quarantine, which the government authorities has been advising for the last few days, has not worked very well, because many people have been seen flouted the home quarantine norms, and mostly in the homes that the COVID has been found to be spreading in large numbers, and hence the government has decided to open up facilities and also hostels and hotels, which will be taken by the government, and people will be moved to these places, and the government has decided that more testing will be conducted, especially RT-PCR tests. Also, we know that as of today, Sunday is a complete lockdown. It's a triple lockdown. Only medical services, emergency medical services, and patients who are going to hospital for checkup, only those vehicles will be allowed. Apart from that, all other services are closed. But the weekend lockdown has not proven that effective as far as Kerala is concerned, because mostly on Saturday evening and Monday morning that you find a huge rush, a heavy rush, especially after these thing, in right. The street. Yesterday, Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan has also said that the Onam, right. celebrations has also led to the number of cases.
Right, Vivek, thank you so much for joining us with that.